Well, I made it over to the Dartmouth side, over to the gym, sitting in the parking lot, burning some eggs and hamburger. Trying to eat pretty clean. I find like I have taken so much bread out of my diet that when I do eat any kind of grains or anything, I feel it. And I feel much better when I'm just eating meat and eggs and proteins and vegetables and all that kind of thing. Not so much with anything wheat. And so yeah, I will continue to adjust my diet. My supper's going into my bed, popping and stuff. Anyway, I'm going to eat this with some sauces. I got Diana honey garlic flavor and Fritz spicy chipotle Fritz sauce by Hellman's, and so we'll give her a go. She's burning pretty good now. Had a bite, went to the gym, did my workout. Well, we wish for it, we pray for it, we hope for it, and here it is. It's summer. Let's ride. And right away we're into a traffic snag. I hope this isn't how things are gonna go. We are on the road. Windows down. So peaceful. We're now in East Hands. We're out of Halifax County. First place we're going to stop, Shubenacadie. Picasso Pizza. Esso Station, Foodland, grocery up on the hill. And just down around the corner is a place where I made some attempt to learn stuff. Didn't go that well, but hands east. Hands east real high. Oh well, if you first don't succeed, do something else. I love being in the country. So awesome. Now, I could be wrong, but I think I'm supposed to be down on that road down there. And leading the pack up there is a tractor. Big old farm tractor. There's the ballpark, and the Shuby River's just on the other side of that little ballpark there. Here's the corner, and home hardware, grocery store. I have no idea what that noise was, but it was kind of scary. There used to be a little store down here. Let's see if it's still here. Yep, there's a store. I think I can get up onto the road up there that I need to get onto by going up that road over there. But Martin's Right Stop used to be McCool's when I was a kid. Oh, look, McCool's Dairy Bar. But Martin's Right Stop. Interesting. So I think the folks I'm seeking are just up here somewhere. We're in the country. We're in the country. And this is it. It says Mikmaq Star Gallery Gifts and Adventures. So I think I'll go looking for an adventure. Beautiful spot overlooking the Shubenacadie River. And there's just eagles flying around here constantly. See if I can get you a picture of one. So in my few minutes here, they taught me how to do all this resin work. I'm really happy with this work here. Just kind of whip this up in a few minutes. Okay, everybody look busy.
There he is.
Yes, I can see you too. I see you.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh,
So
we got
cute.
2 cups of, we got 3 cups going here.
He'll be safe. So he's in a movie.
It's on. We're going away tomorrow. Doesn't look as colorful. Tattoo ink.
You did it with what?
Tattoo ink. Nails were dirty. Guy gave me a load of it.
Pretty nifty.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. I like it a lot.
I found this here in a, I don't know. And then through all my research, I kept finding Viking Norse traditions. And in one of them, the Mi'kmaq were actually baptized Norman. And this is what is written in the Mi'kmaq Concordant. They always have the spiritual figurehead there for the human that was sacrificed for the creation of a Viking ship. So they all had a human sacrifice.
Mental note, never book a trip on a Norwegian one. You may be the unlucky candidate.
90 years ago from a Mi'kmaq woman. The elder Isabel Knockwood Shea that wrote the book We Are, what's it called?
We Are the World?
No, Into the Depths.
It was a great song,
the
though.
story about, you can sing later. Except for the last part, said that the healing of the Mi'kmaq nation, the Mi'kmaq people, will start with the women. That was the last part of the prophecy.
The gallery looks great.
That was part of your 3D
It
creation.
worked! The floating trees. Been here long, 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 long.
Yes,
I think, we watched a deer give birth the other day.
Oh, there's the shot I want. They do Cheryl's yard down there too.
She wanted to do in life, places she wanted to roam, but with everyone so busy, sure it was understood that she was thinking there must be something more. She could find it. She journeyed through that door. One day in a waiting room, an older lady sat beside. That woman had seen a lot in life. You could see the wisdom in her eyes. And she was saying, you know there's so much more. And I can show you, help you find that door. Now she travels the whole world, helping those in need. She understands the bigger picture. There's no place she would rather be. She was saying, finally found my place, thanks to the woman that talked to me that day.
Are you beaten, broken, destroyed, got nothing left? You've given up and you feel like checking out? Don't. Start thinking outside the cage.
So tell me, how do you feel? Have you been handed more than you can deal? Better hit the open road or blaze across the sky